Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can connect Phantom Wallet to Pump.fun on mobile phone. So the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and open your Phantom Wallet. From here, go ahead and tap on the sites. You click on this one, and from here you just have to go ahead and tap on this Pump.fun and just have to wait for it. So in here, you will have to tap on this accept all, which is this one. And once you're done with that, you just go ahead and download this app. And then once it is already downloaded, you tap on I'm ready to pump. And in here, you click on login at the top right corner and you click on Phantom from here. So once you click on that one, you will be able to tap on this connect. And once you tap on connect, your Pump.fun and Phantom Wallet will be connected. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!